Ultimo embeds purpose-built AI directly into its EAM platform to help maintenance teams work smarter, capture better data, resolve failures faster, and improve asset reliability with intelligent assistance. Create complete failure reports faster with smart suggestions, so technicians get the right information immediately and resolve issues without unnecessary delays. Turn every uploaded image into clear, searchable insights with automatic descriptions, helping your team instantly understand visual information without extra effort. Capture valuable maintenance knowledge effortlessly with suggested completed activities, ensuring every job strengthens your history and improves future troubleshooting. Quickly find proven solutions by learning from similar past failures, helping your team solve issues faster and reduce dependency on individual experience. Automatically convert work instructions into structured inspections, enabling consistent data collection and better analysis without time-consuming setup. Turn root cause insights into clear, actionable steps so your team can easily implement improvements and increase asset reliability. Organizations often struggle with vague actions based on incidents. Our AI suggests clear, practical, measurable steps, improving follow-up speed and preventing recurrence. Ultimo's AI helps teams resolve issues faster, improves data quality with less effort, and boosts asset reliability, driving higher productivity, reduced downtime, and smarter maintenance decisions across your organization today. We are continuously expanding the number of features. Keep an eye on ultimo.com/AI.